Your salary just hit. You checked it twice. You feel something close to relief, maybe even excitement. You tell yourself this month will be different. This month you will save something. You mean it. You have always meant it. 4 days later, the balance is gone. Not because you bought anything stupid. Not because you are irresponsible, because nobody taught you the rules. And the people who know the rules are not telling. Not in school, not at home, not at the job that takes 40 hours a week and gives you just enough to come back next Monday. You are not behind. You are just playing a game nobody explained to you. This is the story of every level of wealth, what it looks like, what it costs, what it quietly takes from you, and what it gives back if you survive long enough to understand it. I am Vish. Welcome to Vish Invest. Stay until the end, because the last level is the one nobody talks about. Level 1. Survival. You are living paycheck to paycheck, not because you are irresponsible, because the math does not work yet. Your income covers your life with nothing left over. Some months you borrow a little, some months you make it. The anxiety is constant, low and constant, like background noise you stopped noticing. At this level, you make one mistake that will follow you for years. You spend to feel better. The dinner out, the thing on your phone at midnight, the small purchase that says today was okay, even though it wasn't. You are not spending money. You are spending relief. And relief is the most expensive thing you will ever buy. The first rule: stop buying relief. Start buying time. 1,000 rupees in an index fund feels like nothing, but it is the first time your money has ever worked while you slept. You will not feel it yet, but something has started. Level 2. Stability. You have 3 months of expenses saved. You do not know how long it took you to get here. It felt impossible, and then one day it was done. This is the first time in your adult life you have slept without the low hum of financial anxiety. 1 month of stability feels like silence after years of noise. At this level, something shifts in how you make decisions. You stop making choices from fear. You stop taking bad opportunities because you need the money right now. You start being able to say no, that no is worth more than the raise you have been waiting for. But there is a trap here. Stability feels like arrival. It is not. It is the first platform. People who mistake it for the destination spend the next decade comfortable but not free. They buy a slightly nicer life with every raise. The lifestyle expands to consume exactly what they earn. They are more stable but no closer to wealth. The second rule. Every raise, every bonus, every windfall, half goes to your future self before you ever see it. Your present self will not miss what it never held. Level 3. Foundation. You are investing now, not once, consistently. Every month without thinking about it because you automated it the day you got the idea and never changed it. Your SIP runs whether the market is up or whether it is down. You do not check it every day because you understand something most people never learn. The market is not a scoreboard, it is a machine. You feed it, it works, you wait. At this level, you stop talking about money at dinner, not because you are secretive, because you are no longer anxious about it. It is running. You have other things to think about. This is the invisible line between people who build wealth and people who only talk about building wealth. Your portfolio hits a number that surprises you, not because it is large, because compound interest has started doing work you did not do. You contributed 60% of it. The other 40% appeared while you were living your life. The third rule: the boring investor always beats the exciting one. If your investing strategy makes for a good story at a party, it is probably wrong. Level 4. Momentum. You have been investing for 7 years. You stop calculating what you have and start calculating what it produces, not the total. The monthly income it generates even if you touch nothing. This is the number that matters. The number that one day replaces your salary. At this level, you start making different mistakes. Better mistakes. You put too much in one sector. You get excited about a stock that your brother-in-law mentioned. You learn the lesson of that one, and it costs you less than the lesson you avoided by not panicking in 2020 when everything fell and you held and it came back. The expensive lessons are the early ones. By now, your mistakes are tuition, not catastrophe. People around you start asking for advice. You give it carefully, because you remember what it felt like at level 1 when someone told you to just invest more, as though the money was simply somewhere you had forgotten to look. You explain what you know. You do not explain what you do not. The fourth rule: net worth is not the number. Passive income is the number. When your investments generate more than your expenses, the game changes permanently. Level 5. Freedom. You do not have to work today. You could not work tomorrow. The income from what you have built covers how you live. This is financial independence. It is quieter than you imagined. There is no announcement, no ceremony. You just wake up one morning and the calculation is finally crossed over, and you sit with that for a while before telling anyone. The first thing you notice is that you still work. Not because you have to, because it turns out the work you do when no one is forcing you is different from the work you did when survival required it. You are sharper, more creative, less resentful. You stop watching the clock. The quality of what you produce in 4 hours of genuine interest exceeds what you produced in 14 hours of obligation. But there is something nobody prepares you for at this level. Freedom has weight. When you could do anything, choosing becomes harder. The constraint was load-bearing. You spent years wanting to remove it. Now that it is gone, you have to build the structure yourself. Some people at this level drift. Some find their deepest work. The difference is not talent, it is knowing what the money was actually for. The fifth rule: financial freedom is not the goal, it is the platform. What you build on it is the real question. Level 6. Legacy. You are thinking beyond your own life now. Not about what you will leave, about what will continue. The investments you made in your 30s are compounding in ways that will benefit people who are not born yet. You have set up structures that will outlast your attention. This is not about wealth anymore, this is about architecture. You are building something that exists independent of you. At this level, the money becomes almost abstract. You do not check your portfolio because the number has become less important than the direction. You have given more away than most people will ever accumulate. Not to be generous, because the giving became the most interesting thing left to do with it. You sit across from a 24-year-old who has just started their first job. They ask you the question you once asked: how? You tell them the truth, which is also the simplest thing they will ever hear. Start. Automate, hold, repeat. Do not stop when it gets boring. Boring is the strategy. The boring path walked consistently is the only path that actually works. They nod. They will probably not do it immediately. Most people do not, but something has landed. A seed. And somewhere in the mathematics of time and compound interest, that seed has already started to grow. Somewhere in a city that never stops moving, a 24-year-old checks their salary notification and feels rich for exactly 3 days. The machine does not start with knowledge, it starts with the first decision. And the only difference between the person at level 1 and the person at level 6 is not intelligence, it is not income, it is not luck, it is the decision to start, made once, repeated forever. I am Vish. If this video made you think about where you are and where you want to be, subscribe to Vish Invest. Every week we break down money the way it actually works. No hype, no shortcuts. Just the truth about what it takes and what it gives back. And if you are at level 1 right now and wondering where to put your first rupee, the video on the 7 things smart people buy in their 20s to grow wealth is on your screen right now. Start there. I will